Cameron with Reality Bytes has come in and has been teaching all of our students how to use the headsets themselves, how to use the 360 camera to take photos. The students have been using a program called Co-Spaces, where they can collaboratively work together on projects that they're working on in VR. They can view it in the headset and then edit it in real time on their laptops using coding, and then they get to share it with everyone. They can pop the headset on, have a look around, and I think this is just such a great future-proofing skill for them going forward in their own careers. Even just having the context and understanding where this technology is headed, I think is really powerful for them. So I'm really excited to see what they can do with it and what paths it may lead them down. So this has been a really great opportunity to make that accessible for everybody. I think the community really will benefit from this kind of technology being as accessible as it is with the library program. We're working really keen on getting VR headsets and VR technology into the library. I think having someone like Cameron who's so experienced is the best place to start, because you're getting all of his knowledge, all of the experience that he's built up. So it's been really great to have Cameron here leading the way.